Good morning, everyone. I just rolled out of bed. I threw on a little mascara. I threw my hair back, and we're going to film my very first ever Wantable unboxing. Okay. This just fun. Already cute. This isn't the one I requested, but it's still really cute. Let me see the price on it. Oh, it's probably on the paperwork. Pretty little things. Oh, really cute leaf earrings, gold leaf earrings. I don't know if you can see those. I guess we're just doing a video right now. Except for the tripod. Okay. I don't think I need these, so I'm probably not going to keep them, but they're really cute. Then, oh my goodness. Too cute. Look at this little jumpsuit. $78 though? Four more things. Okay. They all look really cute. Green twill pants. Black 3/4 length sleeve top. That looks really cute. This tank. It's cute, but to me it's nothing special. So we'll see. This though looks so adorable. It's so cute. See if there's a price. $49. I don't know. Anyway, so let me see how much that hat is. $36. I don't think I can, but the black top, I requested it. It's only $29.50, and I paid $20 styling fee, so I'd only have to pay $9.50 to keep it. So I think that's gonna be the winner. Okay, so you saw me take the items out of the box. This is the next morning, and I'm gonna show you what I have on. I hope this works, because I have no viewfinder, so I can't see what you're seeing until I go to edit. And I'm in a hurry. Anyway, I hope it turns out okay. Okay, so I hope you can see this. I thought this was so cute when I pulled it out of the box, and now I don't like it nearly as much. I like that it has this definition. I don't like all this detail up here. It's just too busy. So the material is really cute, but I don't really like the cut. So it's going back, thank goodness. And it is $49. Okay, next thing. I like the idea of this hat. I had requested a much cuter hat. It was black with pastel tropical flowers on it. I'm guessing they didn't have it in stock anymore. I'm just not willing to pay for this one. The other one was just a little bit more than the $20 styling fee, and I was super excited. And this one's okay. It's cute. I really do want a summer baseball cap, but it's $36, too expensive, and I don't love it as much as I love the other one. These are cute, but I have a lot of gold earrings, so I don't think I need them. The earrings were $28. Okay, so next up is this tank top. I actually like the fit of it better than I thought I was going to. Oh, it's only knotted on one side. I was a little confused for a second. It's $44. I can't justify $44 for a tank top, let alone just kind of a basic colored tank top. And then the pants, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see all of this or not, but these green pants, I actually like them a lot better than I thought. They're a little bit longer than I expected. They have pockets, a nice waistband. They are a little big, but they have that drawstring. Well, I shouldn't even say big. When I put them on, they felt a little gappy in the back, but they're not bad. I pulled it. So, yeah, they are very nice, but they're $98, so they're not going to be mine. Okay, so this black top, I love. I think it's super simple, but yet it still has details. I think it fits great. I wear black tops all the time. I could probably spice it up a little bit, but I don't. And this one was $59, but it's on clearance for $29.50. So I am sure this is what I'm going to keep, but I'm going to try the jumpsuit. Oh man, I love this. I am going to be in so much trouble. I don't want to send it back, but I don't know how much it is. $78. It's so flattering. It has pockets. I just love it. Grrr. Why does it have to be so expensive? So comfortable, light and airy. Love it.